Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Monday, the 13th of March. It's good to be back. Before we do get started, please understand that any advice in this session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, so let us start off and have a look at what happened at the end of last trading week. We start off with in London, we had manufacturing production numbers come in at minus 0.9%, which was a little bit less than the forecast, and essentially the cable traded in a fairly tight range, creating an inside candle. So that's great for technical traders. Something may come out of that, so we'll keep an eye on it. In Canada, essentially the US CAD has been one of the strongest performing currencies of the month so far, and after strong data released in Canada with essentially the employment change at 15.3k jobs and unemployment rate at 6.6%, a correction has taken place which will basically bring a little bit of a smile and a grin to a lot of technical traders out there. So we have had a little correction on that. So this is the kind of things that we look for in terms of our possibilities of new trade. So we'll also keep an eye out on the US CAD, put that on your hot list. In the US, the biggest news released on Friday was, of course, non-farm payroll numbers, and we had the non-farm numbers change at 235 new jobs. Unemployment came in still at 4.7, and the average hourly earnings was down at 0.2. Essentially, investors took profits on their long US dollar positions on the back of this data. Although the job growth was solid and the unemployment was slightly improved or thereabouts, the hourly earnings was less than anticipated, and because of this profit taking, what happened was we saw weakness in the US dollar. Now, of course, this week is going to be big because that FOMC rate decision is happening later in the week. We'll talk about that a little bit later, but that's what happened on Friday. All right, so it is now time for our chart of the day, and on my first day back after 2.5 weeks or 3 weeks of not looking at a single chart, I found us an absolute beauty. Have a look at this. This is the Euro New Zealand on a daily. For those of you who have been with me for a while, you can see that we have had 8 consecutive candles in one direction. So 8 days in a row. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the way that you trade this is not, we're looking for just a single reversal day. So what we're hoping for is that we get an open there and we get a red day today. And so essentially at the open, basically take a short in this direction, and have a shallow stop, okay, and I don't know, you could be looking for anywhere between 30 to 60 pips. That's kind of the way you trade this, but in any case, this is an extreme rare type of chart to get 8 consecutive days in one direction. So what we're looking for is a 1-day reversal or a slight reversal to pick up our 30 to 60 pips, and the trade is over. So there you have it. That is our chart of the day, Euro New Zealand dollar on a daily chart. Okay, so what's happening in the day that's about to unfold? We only have one bit of news. This is a very heavily packed week, but just in the session that's about to unfold, we have tonight at 12:30 midnight my local time, which is Sydney, or Australian Eastern Standard Daylight Savings Time, we have the ECB President, Mr. Mario Draghi, will be speaking. So that's the only major event that's happening tonight. Any Euro traders, look out for that. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Please be alerted that the trading challenge is about to start. I will make it publicly known, but it's starting this week, so keep your eyes out. I think it's tomorrow or the day after I will launch it. Other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I will see you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.